Alright, so we're going to be showing how to wire a Spectrum Industries Chromebook card today. When you unbox your Chromebook, you're going to have a charger that looks like this. These ones have the USB-C connections. You might have one, it's a right angle charger. And when you start, you're going to unplug the brick from the power cable. And I set all of them aside in a pile like this. And then to make it easy, you can start a stack of these on top of the Chromebook. And here's the front. As you can see, we've already wired a couple of them in. And when you go to wire these, you want to bring one Chromebook with you for a reference on the length of your front cable. And then around back. You have them here. You have your trays that hold the battery bricks. And then you have your power strips here. So this is for your top row. And then you have another set down here for your bottom row of Chromebooks. And when you start wiring, you're going to take one of your bricks, no power cable on the end, undo the Velcro. You just want to straighten your power cable out here. And then you're going to start by taking the end that plugs into the Chromebook and you're going to feed it in through the back here. You want to just stuff a length through to the front, and then you spin the card around to the front side, and then you'll find your power cable here. And what you're going to want to do when you're looking at it is you go on the left side of the post here, and then you're going to pull a length through. Oh, I'm sorry. Cut. Alright, so you're going to have your length here, and you're going to fold a portion of it in half, 8 or 9 inches on this end, and this loop that's here is going to come up and over. And then what you're going to find is you'll have the end that plugs into the Chromebook on the right side, and then the longer end that goes through the back is going to be on the left side of the post. You're going to take the side that goes into the Chromebook charger, and you're going to come under, and then up and through the loop here, and you pull on both ends tight, and it makes a nice knot. And you take your Chromebook for reference, put it in the slot where it's supposed to go, and you plug in your Chromebook. Now as you start to do more and more of these, you're going to learn the length that you'll need as you make your knot. And say you have a little excess length, you can kind of push the excess up through the knot. So if you hold here and you push, you can pull on the back side, and it'll take slack out of this if one of your chargers is too long. Alright, stop the video there.